In this session we are going to see about tenses. Okay, we are going to see about tenses. Without tense we cannot understand the sentence. Okay. For that we have to know about the tense clearly. We are having three types of tenses. In English we are having present tense, past tense, future tense. Mainly we are using these three tenses in English. Likewise in Hindi, tenses is called by call. Call means tenses. Say present tense means Vartaman call. Present tense means Vartaman call. Then past tense means Bhut call. Past tense mean Bhut call. Then future tense mean Bhavishya call. Then future tense means Bhavishya call. See, we can write as first tenses. In Hindi we can call it as call. We can call it as call. In these we are having three types. Here we can write past. Okay, past is Bhut call. Past tense. Here at present what we are doing is called present tense. Okay, here this is present. That is Vartaman call. That is Vartaman call. Here this is future tense. Okay, future tense means see Bhavishyat call. Okay, call is very important for the sentence. See the past tense. Past tense, the things which occurs in the past. Okay, the things which occur in the past, that is why it is called as past tense. Okay, the things which occurring itself, today itself, in the time. Okay, in the time is called present tense. The things which occur in future, okay, which occur in future is called future tense. In Hindi we call present tense as Vartaman call, then past tense as Bhut call, then future tense as Bhavishyat call. Okay, Bhavishyat call. Easily we can understand tenses as call. Then we are having three subdivision. Past, present, future. That is Bhut call, Vartaman call, Bhavishyat call. We can clearly see about these sentences in the coming classes. Okay, we can go for the present tense now. Now let us see about simple present tense. For that we are having two types. Okay, simple present tense we are having two types, that is for masculine and feminine. That is for masculine and feminine. Masculine means pulling. In Hindi. Feminine means striling. In Hindi. Okay, genders also we are having, masculine is pulling and feminine is striling. Okay, here my here is masculine comes dash into the verb we have to add ta. And the heading is whom. Okay, simply we can write here ka the verb. Okay, ka the verb. Here we can read as my खाता हूँ. Okay, मैं खाता हूँ. मैं खाता हूँ means I am eating. I am eating at present. Okay, at present I am eating without object. What you are eating? Okay, if there is question raised as what you are eating, I am eating chapatis. I am eating bread. I am eating chawal. That's all. मैं खाता हूँ. We have to fill here the root verb. We have to fill root verb. Likewise, here mine feminine means same root verb, but the pronunciation is, see, here kata, here kati. Okay, it is for feminine. मैं खाती हूँ. मैं खाती हूँ. Here it is a girl. Okay, girl, woman. Okay, like feminine. Okay, here मैं खाती हूँ. See, if the sentence starts with mine, we have to end this whom. Starts with mine, we have to end the sentence using whom only. Don't use anything. Don't use anything. मैं खाता हूँ. Already I have told you that in English we are having the sentence format as subject, verb, object. Okay, see here. This is subject. Okay, these also verb. These also verb. Okay, here we don't have any object. We don't have any object. मैं खाता हूँ. Likewise here also मैं खाती हूँ. मैं खाती हूँ. If the sentence starts with my, we have to end the sentence with whom only. You have to remember that. Then we can go for the next one. Second, तुम. Okay, तुम. Here also का. तुम खाते हो. तुम खाते हो means you are eating. You are eating. Here you represents a masculine. Okay, here also तुम का. तुम खाती हो. तुम खाती हो means here a girl or a woman is eating. She, okay, eating. तुम खाती हो. See here, तुम comes, then we have to end the sentence with ho. We have to end the sentence with ho. Here also तुम comes, we have to end the sentence with ho. It is in the present tense only. It is in the present tense only. Then going for the next one, vag yah. Vag yah means he, she, it. Okay, he, she, it. Here also we can put ka. Vah खाता है. Vah खाता है. Yah खाता है means here a feminine is not. It is a masculine. Masculine means we have to end the verb in the R sound. End the verb in the R sound. Okay, here vah खाता है. Yah खाता है. So here we can see, if the sentence starts with vah yah, we have to end the sentence with hai. End the sentence with hai. Likewise here also it is same as for feminine. Vah खाती है. Vah खाती है. Yah खाती है. Here also if comes vah yah, we have to end the sentence with hai. End the sentence with hai. If it is feminine, then we can go for the next one. Ve, ye, आप हम. Okay, वे ये आप हम. The plural form of vag is ve and the plural form of yah is ye. Okay, and the plural form of tum is hum and the plural form of my is aap. Okay, these are the plural forms. Okay, ve ye aap hum. Here also we can put the verb. Okay, here ve kate hain. See, here we can see a bindu. This is hai, this is hain. Hain, the pronunciation is hain. Ve kate hain, ye kate hain. Likewise आप kate hain, hum kate hain. Okay, this for the masculine. This is for the masculine sentences. We have to use like this in the present tense. Okay, see here for feminine, ve ye aap hum. Here also we can put ka. Okay, ve kati hain. Here also we are having bindu. We are having bindu, so it is called as hain. So ve kati hain, ye kati hain. Likewise aap kati hain, hum kati hain. Okay, we have to clearly note that if the subject is male, okay, if the subject is male, the verb should be in a a sound. Then if the subject is female, the verb should be in the e sound. Okay, similarly see here there is no difference. Kati, 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 kati. Okay, no difference. Here we can see for the mine kata, then tum kate. We have to note that kate. Here also vahyag, it is kata. Then ve ye aap hum, we have to use kate. Okay, these are the difference for masculine. In feminine we don't have any difference in the verb. We don't have any difference in the verb. Similar verbs occurs for singular and plural. Singular and plural. See, मैं खाता हूँ means here मैं खाती हूँ. तुम खाते हो, here तुम खाती हो. वह यह खाता है, वह यह खाती है. Here also वे ये आप हम खाते हैं. Here वे ये आप हम खाती हैं. These are the formulas. We have to understand the formula, then only we can write a sentence in present tense. Then only we can write a sentence in present tense without object. Is it clear? Understand?